The full slate of cabinet ministers in the Andrew Holness-led government was sworn in this afternoon. The swearing-in ceremony took place at King's House. As you hear in this report from Dwayne Anderson, Prime Minister Andrew Holness had a warning for the new cabinet appointees.
The swearing-in ceremony proceeded with respect to the COVID-19 guidelines, namely masks, physical distancing, and elbow bumps of congratulations. First up were the senators, who will serve as cabinet ministers. Then came the members of the House of Representatives, who will serve as cabinet ministers. Among them was Audley Shaw. The self-styled Manayard sounded and looked weaker than many have become accustomed to.
That I will uphold and defend the Constitution and the laws of Jamaica, and that I will conscientiously and impartially discharge my responsibilities to the people of Jamaica, so help me God.
Mr. Shaw's presentation raised questions about his health as he goes about serving as Member of Parliament for North East Manchester, as well as Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce. Now in total, 14 members took the oaths of office and allegiance and collected their instruments of appointment. They joined the other 4 cabinet ministers who were sworn in on Monday. The Governor-General, in his customary address, told the ministers who they can turn to for advice when they need it.
The Prime Minister has signaled that he will be standing by as the coach so that no one will fail to accomplish and to fulfill the expectations of the people of Jamaica.
Sir Patrick reminded the ministers that they were being called to serve at a tough time and the people will be looking to them to lead.
In these turbulent times and uncertain times, people look to their leaders for clear signals, actions, and direction that will encourage economic, social, and political stability, and the hope that there will be good governance and their lives will be better. You will therefore need to engage your constituents and the people, and never forget that we, the people, made this happen for you.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness gave a charge to the appointees to serve well, even as he admitted this cabinet was hard to select.
So there is a raging debate about the cabinet and the people who are appointed. And as I said, I pay close attention to it. Much of it could be informed by a deeper understanding of how our government works. But I do understand the concerns of the public.
Mr. Holness said he warned the cabinet appointees. He stopped just short of saying they can be easily replaced thanks to the large majority the JLP has in the lower house.
The character of men will be tested, and we will know them, especially now with a large majority.
The state ministers in the respective ministers will be sworn in on Monday. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.